Jaidyn Alexis reacts after Nevaeh calls her child well-behaved. Image. Social media is buzzing once again after a seemingly simple parenting comment sparked a viral back and forth. Nevaeh's comment raises eyebrows. The latest drama began when Nevaeh proudly described her child as well-behaved during a recent online interaction. According to viewers, she emphasized structure, discipline, and calm behavior while speaking about her parenting style. Although she did not mention anyone by name, fans were quick to speculate. Given the complicated history between Blueface and Jaidyn Alexis, many social media users assumed the comment could have been subtle shade aimed at the children he shares with Jaidyn. In the world of celebrity relationships, especially ones as publicly documented as Blueface's, even the smallest statements can ignite major reactions. Jaidyn's viral clapback. Jaidyn Alexis didn't stay quiet for long. In what many believe was a direct response, she posted a sharp remark that quickly went viral. Open quote, "My kids don't hang out of fridges." Close quote. The comment instantly set timelines ablaze. Supporters praised Jaidyn for defending her children and standing her ground, while others felt the response may have escalated a situation that wasn't necessarily aimed at her in the first place. Regardless of intent, her message was clear. She's protective and unafraid to speak up when it comes to her kids. Fans split into camps. As expected, social media quickly divided into two sides. Team Jaidyn argued that any perceived comparison involving children crosses a line, and they applauded her for addressing it head-on. Team Nevaeh insisted her original statement was simply about her own parenting experience and wasn't directed at anyone else. The situation highlights how quickly narratives can form online, especially when multiple parties share a complicated history with the same person. Another chapter in Blueface's public drama. With Blueface's personal life often making headlines, this exchange adds yet another layer to the ongoing dynamic between the women connected to him. Whether Nevaeh intended to throw shade or not, Jaidyn's response ensured that the moment wouldn't go unnoticed. For now, fans are watching closely to see if the back and forth continues, or if this is just another brief flare-up in an already headline-filled saga. Jaidyn Alexis reacts after Nevaeh calls her child well-behaved. Image.